Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can censor a part of your video with beep sound in InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one, and we're going to select a part that we want to censor with beep sound. And for me, I'm going to wait, let me play the video first. Congratulate him. Wait, his birthday. Okay, I'm going to censor his birthday. Today is. Okay, I'm going to cut the video right here. His birthday. And cut it again. Okay, and then we're going to add the beep sound to this part. So I'm going to mute this part, only this part. You can go to the volume and you're going to make the volume 0, just like this. And I'm going to add beep sound. For the beep sound, you can download it from the internet. I'm going to go to the audio and then select music. And I'm going to choose extract audio from video. I downloaded in a video guys, in a video form. Okay, this is the beep sound. Alright, and then you can adjust the position. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Let me play it. Wait, let me play it guys. Today is. Okay, this specific part has been censored with the beep sound. Okay, let me play it one more time. Today is. Okay, of course, I think it looks better. It looks good and match. And once you're done, you can click on this export button and you can export your video. Just choose the resolution. And okay guys, that's how we can censor a part of a video with beep sound using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.